I have this pine board that measures about 12 by 6 inches, and I'm going to paint it. You can do your first coat with some white primer, and then I gave it a coat of some Wise Owl Snow Owl. And once the paint was fully dry, I have these napkins. I got these from Christmas Tree Shop. They have the little snowman face on them, and I've seen these a couple of years in a row from the Christmas Tree Shop. So keep your eye out for these. And I'm just going to take one section of the napkin with one face on it, and I'm going to place it on my board. I'm going to lay my napkin about 3 inches down from the top, and I want to remove the plies or the layers of the napkin just so we have that image napkin left. And I'm going to mark where I place it. Now I'm going to take a Gen foam brush and I'm going to apply some Wise Owl 1-hour enamel clear. You can also use some varnish or Mod Podge if you prefer that. And then I'm going to lay my napkin in those areas that I marked and gently rub the napkin so that it makes contact with the 1-hour enamel clear while it's wet. You could take a piece of saran wrap and just rub out any wrinkling or bubbling, and you can see that it gets much smoother. And then I'm going to immediately put on a top coat of the Wise Owl 1-hour enamel clear. Now you can wait till this dries to sand off the edges. Sometimes if you get them wet enough and you have a thinner napkin, they will just peel off. So this is what we have so far, and I'm going to allow that to dry. Next I have this ruler stick, and I'm going to cut about 3 inches off from the ruler, and I'm going to paint that with some Wise Owl black paint. You can find these ruler sticks right at Home Depot or Lowe's. You can also just use a paint stir stick and just cut it to the length that you want. Once that was dry, I'm going to glue it a couple inches down on my board, kind of right where that napkin starts, and I'm going to put it on a slant. So this is going to look like the snowman's hat, and I'm going to paint the top portion above my ruler stick with some more Wise Owl black paint. I want everything to fully dry, and then I'm going to take a little bit of white, and I'm going to dry brush it onto the hat. And this can be a little dusting of snow. To finish it off, I'm going to take this buffalo check ribbon that I'd found, and I'm going to wrap it around the bottom portion of the board. Just tie a little knot there. And then the two tails, this is a wired ribbon, so you can kind of shape them how you want, and I'm going to glue them in place at the bottom of the board. And there we go. Now we have this really cute snowman wall decor. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials over on our webpage. Have a great day.